So what's going on? Okay, is it going to be time? Is it canned cat food time? Oh yeah, I'm sure it is. You keep saying no, but I think it's canned cat food time. God, that's 3 no's in a row. What's up with that? Got something, oh man, I got something in my ear. Dad, I'm going to have to come down there. Yeah, boy, I'm all fucked up. I got dusty, I slept up here. Oh, it's just a mess. Alright, I'm coming down. I'll be down in a minute. I gotta process, don't rush me. There's a way to do this the right way, and there's a way to do this the wrong way. And here I am. Here I am. Feed me.